Hello and welcome to one of my many stress-free art sessions. I'm your host BaTo and I will be teaching you how to create art. For this session you can use a tablet to draw or a pencil and paper. I'm using an iPad and a free app called SketchBook to draw and paint in this and future sessions. Hello and welcome to another session. This session will teach you how to illustrate children's books. And the drawing that you see here was done by my oldest son. When he was in his second grade, his assignment was to draw and actually write a little children's book. In his case, his was called My Pet, a Red-Eyed Tree Frog. Here I have found a lot of references on the red-eyed tree frog. I think I'm gonna pick this one for the front cover. I really like it and I think it speaks to me. I would also highly recommend for those of you who haven't seen the previous sessions, the one with drawing a T-Rex and coloring a T-Rex, please watch those two sessions before you proceed with this one, because I talk about a lot of things that are crucial and important and are also related to this session. The first thing I want to do is block out the body, and by drawing these primitive shapes like cylinders and cubes and spheres, circles. So now that I know where everything is in relation to the parts of the body, I can proceed with stylizing our frog. For this session, I would like you guys to think about the title of your book and also the character who's gonna be a part in your book. Whether that's a human being, whether that's your pet, like a dog, a cat, or a parakeet. It can be any animal, it can be a bird, it can be a fish, it can be anything really. But I want you to think about it really hard. And also something else, I want you to gather references, and then from those references block out your character and make some sort of exaggeration, whether that's arms or eyes or head. And from there we'll go and define our character more in the next session, and then we're gonna color the front cover as well as start storyboarding the rest of the pages in the session after that. Thank you and see you soon.